In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ink replay in PowerPoint. If you've ever sketched an idea, worked through a math problem, or annotated a diagram right on a slide, ink replay lets you play those pen strokes back in the exact order you drew them. It's a simple way to turn your handwriting into a guided, step-by-step animation that's perfect for explanations and demos. Start by opening your presentation and heading to a slide that already has ink on it. Ink means actual pen or highlighter strokes created with PowerPoint's drawing tools, not typed text, shapes, or images. If you're not seeing any playback later, that's usually a sign there aren't ink strokes on the slide yet, so make sure you're on the right one. Next, look up to the ribbon and click the Draw tab. This is the home base for everything related to digital inking in PowerPoint. You'll see your pens and highlighters there, along with options that control how they behave. This is also where the ink replay feature lives, so keep your eye on this tab. Now select Ink Replay. The interface will shift slightly to show playback controls, letting you preview how your handwriting came together. Think of it like a mini timeline for your ink. You haven't changed your slide content, you're simply entering a view that can animate it. When you're ready, press play. PowerPoint will replay every ink stroke on the current slide in the same order and with the same motion you used when drawing. This is great for revealing a solution step by step, walking through labels on a diagram, or illustrating a process at a natural pace. While it's playing, you're in control. Use pause if you want to stop and explain a point mid-stroke. Tap Rewind to go back and show a section again, which is handy if your audience missed a detail. Use Forward to skip ahead if you've already covered part of the drawing. Only the ink on this slide will play, so you don't need to worry about affecting other slides. When you've finished reviewing or presenting the animation, exit Ink Replay to return to normal slide editing. Your ink remains exactly as you drew it, and you can move, resize, or recolor it like any other object. A quick tip: if you'll be presenting live, practice the replay once or twice so you know where you want to pause for emphasis. And remember, if nothing plays, double-check that you're on a slide with actual ink strokes. That's all there is to it.